Hello, Noble Knitter. It's Nancy Queen, and today I'm here to talk to you about our shawl knitting boot camp. It's filled with 5 different shawls that you learn over 5 weeks. You get a new shawl every week that you can use with any weight yarn.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post.
So I just wanted to give you a roundup of the shawls that are in the course, because a lot of people don't like to purchase without seeing what the projects are ahead of time. So now you get the chance. So this is our first shawl in the course in week 1. This is the traditional triangle shawl with a ruffle. And it's a large, you know what, I'm going to take it off. It's a large, beautiful triangular shawl, and I've used a lot of self-striping yarns in this course, because not only do I love self-striping yarns, but look at how you can see the shape, and it really helps you to understand what you're dealing with when how the shaping works. So this is the triangle shawl with ruffle. And then week 2 was an asymmetrical shawl, also using self-striping yarn. So you can see the point is not right in the center of the shawl, it's off to the side. And these are all easy projects. There is no purling in any of these projects. So if you're a beginner, you've only learned to knit, cast on, and bind off, these shawls are for you. I teach you how to join yarn. I teach you how to work on long circular needles. There's a lot packed in this. I teach you about lifelines, blocking. And then this is a crescent shawl. It's a very long shawl. Look how long this is. Woo! In this way. And again, I use the self-striping yarn so you can see how the shawl shapes. And this shawl has, I used a yarn that has a little bit of sparkle in it. Can you see the sparkle? And then a rectangular shawl, and I thought, let's do some lace in this shawl. So this is a very, very beginner lace project. And I teach you how to do something called lifelines that will help you. If you make a mistake, you don't have to rip your project all the way back, but it will help you with any knitting project that you do. And this is also a long, gorgeous shawl, and you'll learn how to make fringe. And then week 5 is the point-to-point shawl. So this was also made using a self-striping yarn, and you'll learn how to make tassels. See the tassels? And this yarn, you can really see it here more. This yarn has some it's a thick and thin yarn, and it has, the thin yarn is really shiny, where the thick yarn is matte and really chunky and almost like a wool roving. So you get these slubs throughout your project, like this, and then you get these shiny spots. So, and then there's a point in the center, and it's knitted from one point to the other point, and that's called a point-to-point shawl. So if you're interested in this shawl course, click the link below. I hope to see you there.